Ve aman gistal қазақша бастаймыз. Onun için biz атын жазуымыз керек. Міне. Bir türlü videolar atmadıktan sol için bizler akşamki videolar çektik. Onun için gittik. Hey. Alıyorsunuz diyor. Glitch kampanyası aslında. Ve amacı gistal kız. Hadi bu oyuncakta başlayalım.
Welcome to the amazing digital circus! My name is Kane. I'm your ringmaster, and I'm here to show you the most jaw-dropping, heart-stopping, kind-bending paraphernalia you can run in your arms alone. Isn't that right, Bubble?
Benim dostum da Bubble çağırır. Bakayım. Geç bırak. Kimleri var
Let's not
ki?
waste any time. Let's
Ya
get
bu zamanlar
right into the
kavga
show.
gerek. Sonra bu obraz yok. Aynı konu. Berbalik. Iba, nakakam. Over tigre mi profesyonel. Bye bye. O çarpmasın. Yok ki. Hayır. Gimana oyunda? Oy ay. Bitirdim. Kembal.
Kane, is this one of your NPCs?
Kane bu kemik canavar adam.
It's a new character.
Evet bağım.
We're gonna
Şimdi
have to
kemik
redo this whole theme song.
kilgeni.
I'm not doing that again.
Oy.
It appears a new human has entered this
Alacağım bugün
room.
oraya adam geldi. Ben kımdım. Ben kımdım.
Just keep grabbing at it. That works for all of us.
What's going on?
Ben
I
seni
put on
oturmadım.
some
Kalktım.
weird headset
Bildim
and
nasıl
now
diyordum.
I'm here.
Bilmiyorum.
Who are you people? Why
Kalktım
can't I take it off?
oturmadım.
Where am I? Let's just try to calm down. Everything's gonna be okay, new stuff. We've all been
Sen
through
nasıl
this.
yeni
You just
yıkadın
need to get
olarak.
your head.
Böyle bokta verdim
No,
ya.
no, my dear, we can't have any
Bırak
of
da
that
bokta
foul
bahşe
language
boğmaydı.
around here. The
Bırak da
amazing
bokta sen
digital
bilin
circus
dalga
is a place to be
istiyorum.
enjoyed by
Sen
all
de
ages.
küfürlük sana ne?
You, my friend, stumbled
Oğlum
into an
sen
incredible
boktamayı.
world of wonders
Boktasan
where
anlayın.
anything can happen, except for swearing.
Experiment time. Boktasan. Let's see. I'll see.
Oh my
Belli.
god.
Aha, oy my god.
Well,
Ben
how do I
nesiyim
leave?
ben. Dur.
Well, don't freak out about it or anything, but we don't exactly. But yeah, he's right. Welcome to your new home. And your new body. A new home? What do you mean? Guys, don't be mean.
We've been stuck here for years. Well, King over there
Çok
supposedly
sarkılıyor.
made the law.
Hayır, kim dedi? Kesinlik var. Bu ayakta yok gibi. Yok.
Okay, now I get it. This is a dream, and I should just play along until I wake up, right?
Whatever you say, kid.
Ben başkam.
So, Kane, we having a new adventure today for the newbie or what? We'd like to give our brand new member
Nasıl üzerinde?
a tour of the circus grounds. Off we go.
Daha geçtik gibi.
Here we have the
Biraz böyle
tent.
yerimiz.
This is where your living quarters are, as
Kostüme.
well as all
Yerinde
sorts of
kostüm
other
olsa.
activities. These activities may include ball pits, mini golf, and more. And here we have the grounds. Drown yourself in the digital lake or engage in ridery at the digital carnival. Tonight, it's all okay. The choice is yours, a cosmic buffet. Of course not. This is the we don't venture out.
Я хочу мungkin filan değil. Bırak sen arayı yaktırın çağırmayı.
We stay right here, where I can keep my hundreds of
Gözleri kana
all-seeing
var.
eyes on you.
Şimdi.
Hello, Kate. I
Bakın
love you.
bizim.
Get out of here before the phone
Koş
gets
nakla
frisky.
gidik. Vay. Bel. Ding.
Wait, what's
Bak
that?
bu ne?
Whoa, clean up on aisle you.
Kalem bas. Rektörtün ayakta. Meh. Buna niye?
Wait. Was that exit door I saw out there? Is that a way to leave?
Vakti.
What exit? If there was a way to leave, I'm pretty sure we'd have all left by now.
I assure you, there is no magical exit door. You're probably just experiencing tangible hallucinations of your mind's transition to the digital plane.
I swear I saw it.
Digital hallucinations!
Kardeş video bitti. Aslında söz edip
How
şimdi
about
yok.
we talk about something else? Like your
Daha
name.
sıra girişti. Aşık daha sıra benim binatım kım.
Why can't I
Binatım
remember my
kım.
name?
Nobody can remember their name once they enter the digital circus. One of the few things I don't have control over are your minds. So all I can help you with is coming up with a new one. Don't you worry your little head. Your new name can be anything. You're like, oh, your social name, Edward, what are you thinking?
I don't care. Just pick
Hatun
anything.
dura
Let's
bunun
see.
üstüne hatunda
What do you think of... You're right, terrible. Let's try that again.
tutuk
What do you think of Pomni?
oldu.
Sure. I think I just...
Gadzooks, you're right, Jax. We should have a brand new adventure for our new member, Pomni.
Sana kımdır Jackson'ı
Do you like adventure?
kesin makavatında Jax koladı. Ben
Parasite!
şimdi cipsadın. Ne?
Since you knew around
Belki
here,
sırasını
we're gonna
cevap
make it a
sıram
simple
kırdım.
in-house adventure.